What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is Speed Addict 731. My name's Ken. I'm going to show you my car, 2017 California Special. I do have the S350 SVE wheels on it with 305s in the back, 285s in the front. It is an automatic car. Premium. Like I said, California Special. Right now it is completely bone stock aside from the wheels and tires. I'm gonna keep this video kind of short. We've got some plans coming for this car. Actually got some parts ordered. You'll see that in the upcoming video. Stay tuned. I've got videos from the track. I took it to the track last Friday night. Got some videos and ran. First run I believe was an 844. It's in the video. Second run was an 833. That was around 2190 DA. So that is my baseline run. Like I said, we got some parts coming. It's going to get a whole lot quicker, pretty quick. So stay tuned. But here's the video of the track. We'll see you later.